we'll start with pH. pH has a graph up in the middle of the screen, which will display the last 24 hours. Double clicking on the graph will give you 7 days, and double clicking again will give you 1 month's worth of data. Double click again, it'll take you back to the 24 hours. So up on the right hand side here we've got all of our settings. So the set point is what we want our pH to run at, 7.2. Pump duty is the percentage at which the pump will turn on for every 1 minute. At the moment it's 50%, which means the pump will be on for 30 seconds and off for 30 seconds, depending on where it is in relation to the set point. The mode is set for flow, so that means that the pumps will work off the flow switch, whether it's on or off. Going into mode, you can change the mode to disabled, which would turn off all of your pumps. For pH or continuous, it would bypass the flow switch completely and just run off the set point. Dose type is set for acid, so it would only dose above the set point. Setting it for base, it would dose below the set point. Alarm mode, plus or minus. So the alarm mode gives you an option to send or receive an alert if the pH reading is either above or below the set point, and then you have options for only below or only above or disabled completely. Alarm range gives you an option to choose when the alarm will be sent in relation to the reading. So these can be chosen from the screen here. Lockout delay gives you an option of the period of time that the pump will lock itself out and stop working in relation to the time it takes for the reading to get to the set point. The output number is the output where the pump is plugged into. There are 14 outputs. Generally, output 1 is reserved for pH, and there is a GPO inside the box where the pump can be connected to. Lockout displays the number or the time that the pump has until it reaches lockout stage, and it counts down in seconds up at the top here, and this is the minute value at the bottom. The power icon up here is grey when the output is off and blue when the output is on. Advanced gives you options to change dose period, safety minimum and maximum, which are only related to timers if you have a timer set. Fuzzy logic gives you the option to change the proportional dosing. It gives you an option to add level sensors and to dose off other outputs simultaneously, and also to connect an alarm status from this output. Probe gives you an option to add a different pH probe, a 4 to 20 milliamp probe, to this controller as well.